Can you imagine this? With just one YouTube channel, you could build a big source of income without ever showing your face or recording your own voice. Sounds unbelievable, right? Today, I'm going to show you the exact method many content creators are using, leveraging AI to produce storytelling videos that reach an international audience and bring in thousands of dollars every single month. If you love AI tools that save you time and help you create content that actually makes money, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell right now to support me and the channel. Thank you so much. Listen to this. On YouTube, there are channels that post simple storytelling videos, sometimes just a few dozen uploads, yet they pull in millions of views. Just like the channel you're looking at right now. I'm going to use an analytics tool called Nexlev, so you can easily see the stats for this channel. This channel has an RPM of 6.25, which means for every 1,000 views, you'd earn over $6. Here, you can also see the monthly views and estimated earnings. And right below, it shows the audience breakdown. Most viewers are from the US. Plus, you get a detailed look at gender and age demographics. Storytelling channels like this can already bring you a steady monthly income. Why is that? Because motivational content, self-development stories, and mental health topics are exploding in popularity, especially among people aged 25 to 54 who are looking for encouragement and emotional support. This is exactly the kind of content people love to watch over and over again. The structure of this kind of video is pretty simple. You can see it right here. There's a main character, subtitles on screen, and smooth scene transitions. For example, learning how to stay present and let go of worries about the past or the future so you can find true inner peace. Viewers really love this style, because it speaks to their emotions. Whether you're a student feeling stuck or an adult under stress, a short, inspiring story like this instantly creates a sense of connection. And here's the best part. You don't have to draw, animate, or even record a voiceover yourself. VideoGen AI will handle all of that automatically for you. I'm going to walk you through each step. Visit the AI website. Open your browser and head over to nextgenai.com/videogen. When you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get 30% off. Just drop in the discount code I've listed below. This is the platform that will automatically build a fully finished video for you. Click on New Video. You can use a computer or your phone. Honestly, it's even faster on mobile. Then choose the second option, Generative Images. Scroll down and hit Continue. You'll see a single empty box. All you need to do is paste in a video title. It could be a competitor's title or any story idea you dream up. That's it. No need to write a script yourself. The AI will take that title and create a brand new story from scratch. Next, pick the language. For example, if you're targeting a US audience, choose English or select any other language you like. Then, set the video length. For this demo, I'm going with 2 minutes, which is roughly 300 characters. Want something longer? Just slide it up to 1,600 characters for a 10-minute story. Now hit Generate. In just a few seconds, the AI writes a complete, original script, totally unique. You'll instantly see a smooth, engaging story that's ready to be turned into a video. Right below the script, you can pick a voiceover preview, a few, male or female, until you find one you like. I chose the female voice named Lulu because it seems to fit the content of this video. Click Apply Voice to All, so the entire video uses that voice. You can even assign different voices to different characters if you want a conversation. Click Create Video the AI. Automatically pairs every line of the script with perfectly matched images and smooth transitions. It even layers in the audio seamlessly. Give it a minute or two and boom, you've got a complete story video.
And memories ripple across the water. In the heart of a bustling city lived an old master known for his wisdom and serenity. One day, a young man, eager to find purpose and success, approached him.
If the subtitles look a bit too small, just click on Theme and pick the style you like. You can tweak the font or layout super easily. No editing skills needed. Here's another handy tip. You can also drop your own logo anywhere on the video to give it a unique, personal touch. Just upload your logo, pick the spot where you want it to appear, and you're all set. It's a simple but powerful way to build your brand identity.
You can also pick background music in this section. Every creative idea is yours, and VideoGen is just the one bringing it to life.
Add a few smooth transitions, like fade in, fade out, or zoom. These small touches make your video look way more professional. Before exporting, preview the entire video. If a scene doesn't look right, hit Replace to swap it out, or click Regenerate to let the AI try again.
When everything looks good, click Share/Export at the top right. Click Download. Pick 1080p if you're posting to social media, or 4K if you want that super sharp look. Then just hit Export Video. And just like that, your video is ready to upload to YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere else.
And
here's the final result. A full story video with unique visuals and a professional voiceover, all perfectly synced. Every video is completely new, no duplicates, and every image matches the script line by line. With just one click, you've got a finished video. You can easily create 10 to 20 videos a day to grow your channel fast. Imagine this. In just a month, you could have hundreds of videos, all fully handled by AI, from script to voiceover to visuals. That's the true power of VideoGen AI. So what do you think? Would you give this kind of storytelling channel a try? Drop a number 1 in the comments if you're as excited as I am. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to Nextgen David AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with even more awesome AI tips.